Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to find an Etsy niche. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this uh, video we're just going to follow this Reddit, and this is a conversation about how to know if you have found a winning niche, etc. And basically the short answer is that you cannot, and all you will be needing to do is to simply have some analytics to do, some keyword searching, etc. As you can see, those are some tools that you can use for analytics. And as you can see, all you can do is to simply start analyzing competitors' shops and see what you can enhance or make better, etc. So basically to do that, you will be needing to simply go to apps on your shop manager and use like the on-hand tools that you have and are connected to Etsy. So then you can learn more, and basically it will take you to the Everbee page. You will need just to connect, and simply here you will find your shop. And basically this is the last update, and from here you will find your uh, your shop, and here you will find all your settings or stats and dashboard. Basically you can go, for example, to product analytics, and from there you can start like going by category or like searching for some kind of keyword searching, or for example, if we did t-shirts, what would be like the most uh, showing, and this is the price. And as you can see, it has like many reviews, and the listing age is like uh, 1 year and some months. And basically you can start like doing also keyword researching, and as you can see, this keyword is searched like it has a bigger score, and it has like higher competitive. For example, this one have a lesser competitor, and it has like a huge keyword score. And you can also like uh, filter by or filtering by keyword score or sorting by keyword score, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.